flying back over that way.
Huh?
He was coming around from over here and flew back that way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's completely different from when I was out here a few minutes ago.
That is dark.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah. There's purple over there. This definitely is not good.
It's all the way around, too. It's like, you usually got one spot that's light.
And then one spot that's really dark, yeah.
Right. It's like it ought to be red as crap.
I hope we don't get a tornado out of this.
Nah, we got no land for a tornado.
Yeah, but if we were out in like...
Oh, if we were out in the country, we'd be taking shelter right now.
Yeah. If we were out in like cornfields and everything.
Wow, look at that.
That is crazy.
It's a better view over here. Come look. Nuts.
Wow. That is insane.
That's crazy.
We haven't even been. We were outside just like 5 minutes ago. And it wasn't even this dark.
Here's a better view back here.
Jesus, this is insane.
Look at that one over there.
Wow.
Well, if you're in the country, you're taking cover right now, ain't no doubt.
Yeah, you think? It's just purple and green and all of the above. And it's all wrapped around too, so it's creating a supercell. Guys, this is crazy as heck. This is why we live where we live. If we were out in the country right now, in the cornfields and everything, we would be taking shelter. This stuff produces tornadoes yearly. We don't really get this stuff around here a lot where we live. It doesn't really look very dark for you guys, but for us it's insanely dark. Over there it's purple. That is insane. Audio may not be as good either. The wind. Wow. That is absolutely insane, you guys. I'm going inside right now. You can feel the biometric pressure changing. Head's starting to hurt because of it. And it's getting pretty cold. I'm starting to shiver. So in the next video, we'll probably be doing some fishing or whatever. I know I haven't been uploading in a long time, but it's just too wicked to not be videoing right now. So in the next video, I'll see you. Peace out.